a bike setup that suddenly you have the chain jumping back and forth among cogs, even if you're not shifting, may be an early indication of wear of the derailleur cable. What the wear is, whether it's actual stretching or breaking the microfilaments, is debated. Before you go ahead and replace that cable, here are a few things for you to check. Let's take a look. Make sure throughout the shifts that the cassette and pulley wheels are aligned. Maybe all you need is adjustment to the rear derailleur. Make sure the cassette is nice and clean, as well as the guides for the cables under the bottom bracket, since mud and dirt may be the cause of your problem. The front derailleur cage should be pointed directly backward. The front derailleur cage should be in line with the chain rings directly below it. Look for frayed cables at the pinch bolts for the front and rear derailleur. Such fraying is a certain indicator that we need to change the derailleur cables. Also check for breaks in the cable housing, which suggests we need to change the housing as well. With your chain in the small chain ring and smallest cassette, turn the barrel adjuster all the way in. Go ahead and shift, so you're shifting to the next larger cassette. Then turn the barrel adjuster out until it just jumps to the next larger cassette ring. And then turn it out about, maybe an eighth to a quarter of a turn. Let's see how it looks. Looks good for now. If everything that we've done checks out and we're still having the problem on the road, go ahead and replace the derailleur cable. If you're a first-time viewer, please subscribe. If you find this helpful or have other suggestions concerning derailleur and cable problems, especially cable wear, please write in and let our viewers know. Thank you.